Hello, my name is Ahad Rafi. What is your name and tell me about yourself?
Okay, so myself Tuba Binta Mahmood and I'm the student of class 8 and I read in Dhaka Candles Public School and College.
Okay, describe your school to me.
So as it is a cantonment school, so we have very big campus and very beautiful environment. We have 2 fields and also have a park and have gardens that are full of very beautiful kinds of flowers, and also we have some fruit trees, and these are very beautiful and wonderful. So also we have 3 buildings. 2 is for school and 1 is for college, and 2 canteens. That's all.
Who would you say your favorite teacher and why?
So my favorite teacher is my math teacher, whose name is Monirul Jaman. Like he talks like jokes in our class, and also understand me teach me the maths very clearly and in a funny way. So that's why he is my favorite teacher.
What do you like most about your school?
So I like the environment most in my school because it is very quiet and calm. Like there is no the noises of other outsides like buses or the crowding. So I like the environment and the calmness of my school.
Good. What is the one thing you would change about your school?
The one thing I want to change about my school is the school dress, because it is very uncomfortable and very what is that? If we sweat, it it smells a lot. So I want to change the school dress or the fabric of the school dress.
Good. Okay, right now we'll talk about your best friend. Do you have a best friend?
Yeah, I have a best friend.
Okay. Growing up, who is your best friend?
So growing up, her name is Tahia and she is my best friend. When I was in class 4, it was COVID-19 pandemic. So at the last of 2021, our schools opened. So then I met her, like she was talking to other students. So I was very curious about her, and then we became best friend. And after becoming best friend, we knew that our fathers are also friends.
Tell me about a very special moment you had with your best friend.
Special moment I had, it was a study tour. When we went to the study tour, we enjoyed a lot. Like we ate different foods and exploring different places of the spot, and also we played together. So it was very special.
Okay, describe the first time you met your this best friend and how.
So as I said that when COVID pandemic, after COVID pandemic, when we went to school, like my friend was talking to my another friend, like she was talking about her COVID experience, I think. So then I went to there and I was asking my friend that who is she. Then she said she is a new student of her school after COVID pandemic. So I was like, I introduced myself with her, and she also. Then after some days, we felt that our vibes or our ideas, plans are same. So then we became best friends.
Would you say you are grateful to have this friend?
Yeah, I'm very grateful to have a friend like her. Like she's very supportive, and also in my rainy day she supports me. But like she's different from others that I noticed about her.
Okay. Tell me about how you spend your days together.
Today?
Spend your time together.
Yeah. So from this year we are from different sections, so we can talk or spend time too much, but when it is like off time or tiffin, so then we walk together, then telling our school's circumstances, also our what happened in our class, like different class, then we know about the different classes, teachers, students, so that's we spend.
Would you say in future you would be staying with this best friend?
Yeah, I want to stay with her for lifetime, so
And why?
that's I said she's very supportive, and I notice different from others in her.
But
Like,
people could change.
yeah,
But how do you think you guys will keep that as a friend for a lifetime? How? Okay, let me ask you this.
yeah.
Like, what is the most important thing about her that you really admire?
So like she's very cordial to elders or the youngers. Like if one younger students or in our schools younger, so if they hurt or were crying, she went to them and asked what is happening. Also from teachers, she is a good student. When the teachers are answering or questioning us, then she asks the questions and she is very respectful to them. So that's I will.
Thank you. This is all for today.